Hello guys, I hope you're all fine. I am here with a science experiment which is from Ultimate Science Kit. Check it in the description below. It's experiment number 2, lava lamp. For that you will need 10 ml water, cups, test tube, spatula, stirring sticks, red coloring, 20 ml oil, citric acid, baking soda and a tray. Now let the explosion start. So as it reads, we need to put 10 ml water in the test tube. Now we will add 2 drops of red coloring. Now we will add 1 scoop of baking soda. Now we will put the oil. Slowly we will drop citric acid in the test tube. Now it exploded! A volcano! I better close the cap. There you go. We have our own lava lamp. So I will elect it. How about you? Because I will elect it. Please like, share and